Keystone's true zero-ohm jumpers are replacements for zero-ohm resistors in high-density, high-current applications. The jumpers are manufactured from copper with silver plating to support high-current applications and provide low impedance and circuit linkage. The jumpers are available in 0603, 0805, and 1206 chip sizes with an identical footprint as zero-ohm resistors, so designers can easily integrate them in new designs or substitute them as drop-in replacements in existing designs using conventional zero-ohm resistors. Keystone True Zero-Ohm jumpers are also compatible with most pick-and-place assembly systems and provided in ANSI EIA 481 compliant tape and reel, cut tape, or Digi-reel.